Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. We're going to talk about my top 5 coins for June right now because I'm going to try to do this video every month. Sometimes I am going to forget, but we're going to try to do this every month. And let's actually start off with Kusama. The parachain auctions are, I think, here, and they are upgrading their network. I think full functionality is coming soon. Very bullish for Kusama. $1,000 is in the works, I think. And I've said for a long time that I'm more bullish on Kusama than Polkadot because the bigger projects are probably going to get Polkadot parachains, but everything else is going to get on a Kusama parachain, and it's going to have a lot of projects. Plus, Kusama's market cap is much, much lower than Polkadot right now, so I still think it has a much longer way to grow than Polkadot. ROI-wise, I think it puts it above Polkadot. So Kusama is the first pick. The second pick obviously is Polygon, and it's been a pick for several months, and that's because it keeps on getting more projects. It just scored OKB, which is OKCoin. Now that's not OKX, but it is the same company as OKX. OKCoin itself is an internationally recognized exchange. Therefore, it's still pretty good utility. I still think there is a good chance, or at least a decent chance, that eventually the OKX will actually move on, especially since OKCoin is the same company. They might just be testing it or prepping it for OKX's move on to Matic, and that would be a huge, huge use case boost for Matic/Polygon. OKX, I think, is the second or third biggest exchange in the world, and I think it is a very real possibility that it actually will come on to Polygon. Third one is actually going to be Vechain, and I think heading into 2.0, they're going to actually start releasing 2.0 this month. Plus, they have the carbon credits thing. That might pump it a little bit, but 2.0's excitement over DeFi and NFTs will be the main draw right now for June, and I think they're going to start releasing it in June, and that the release is going to go into July. There'll be a lot of community voting. I'm pretty much 100% sure that the community is actually going to say yes to 2.0. So that's why Vechain is number 3. BNB is still number 4 because Binance is going to release NFTs. Now, there is a problem with BNB right now, and that is because the various exploits that have actually happened on BSC. Binance is trying to distance themselves from BSC, but let's be real, Binance created BSC, and people are always going to link the two. So they need to actually clean up their act and regain trust. They can't let these exploits happen every other day. But I still think BNB is going to do pretty well, especially with the NFT release on their platform. And I think people are really looking forward to that. If they release the NFTs in June, BNB could take another leg up. And the fifth one is kind of a dark horse, Algorand, actually. I've been seeing it get a lot of partnerships, obviously, lately. And some of them are actually pretty decent partnerships. It's a fairly little known mainnet right now, and that means it has a lot of room to grow. I see it kind of like similar to Cardano, but much lower than Cardano. And it seems like it's pretty far along in the process. They are academically reviewed, but they are getting projects and utility and use cases right now. So Algorand definitely might be worth a look into investing right now. You might be actually catching something like Cardano at an earlier stage, and that would be really awesome. We all know that Cardano went from like 4 cents to like over $2. So you might get some of that action with Algorand in the future. So those are my predictions. Well, not my predictions. Those are my top coins for June. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.